Hi there, welcome back. So you sent your first campaign. Awesome job. One of the QuickHub's biggest strength is how it brings on everything under one roof. This means your email, your text and messaging and your social media can all work together seamlessly. Imagine sending email, text and a Facebook post all from one place and from one click. Sounds pretty great, right? QuickHub can do that, but first we need to connect or integrate those channels into QuickHub. Don't worry, it's a one-time setup for each and I'll walk you through it step by step.
I'll show you how to connect your email service provider, like Brevo, inside QuickCampaign, so you can send professional email campaigns effortlessly. Start by opening QuickHub and go to the dashboard page. From the main menu, click on QuickCampaign. Then select Personalization under QuickCampaign to access your campaign settings. Click on Email to open the Email Personalization section. Next, click on Learn More to explore available email service provider options. From the list, select Brevo as your email service provider to continue with the setup. Now fill in your email configuration details. Enter your sender email address. This is the email that will appear in your campaigns. Then add your name, username, and password associated with your email account. Next, enter your server name or IP and the port number provided by your service provider. Double-check that all details are correct before moving on. Once setup is complete, it's time to test your connection. Click on Send Test Email. In the test email form, enter the recipient email address, add a subject, and type a short message. Then click Test Email to send. If everything is configured correctly, you'll receive a test email confirming your connection is active and ready. And that's it! You've successfully connected your email service provider in QuickHub using Brevo. You're now ready to send professional, personalized email campaigns directly from QuickCampaign. Now let's connect your social accounts so you can create and publish posts directly from QuickHub. From the QuickHub dashboard, open Quick Social, then the dashboard. First, connect Facebook. Click Facebook Connect. Enter your email or phone number and password, then click Login. Click Continue, then Save to grant permissions. Select your Facebook page, then click Send. Check the Facebook platform status. It should now show as connected. Next, connect Instagram. Click Instagram Connect, then Get Started. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Click Continue, then Save to grant permissions. Select Got It to proceed. Choose your Instagram page, then click Send. Confirm the Instagram status now shows as connected. Now, let's link Twitter X. Click X Connect, then sign in. Enter your username and password, then click Login. Choose Connect your X account to grant permissions. Check the Twitter platform tile. It should now show Connected. Finally, connect LinkedIn. Click LinkedIn Connect. Enter your email or phone number and password, then click Sign In. Select your business page, then click Connect to grant permissions. Confirm the LinkedIn platform tile now shows as connected. That's it. All your social platforms are linked. You're ready to plan, create, and publish posts straight from QuickHub across Facebook, Instagram, Twitter X, and LinkedIn with one click.
You've just unlocked the true multi-channel power of QuickHub. By connecting these channels, you're making sure your marketing is cohesive and easy to manage. No more logging into 5 different accounts to do one campaign. It's literally one login, one platform. Now, QuickHub truly is your one-stop marketing hub for all these channels. In the next episode, we will take things a step further with automation. This is where you get to let QuickHub to do some work for your automation automatically. If you enjoy this series, hit the like button and subscribe so you don't miss the upcoming episodes. And if you have any issues connecting your channels, drop a comment. I'll help you if I can Great progress today. Simplify marketing, amplify your vibes.